4 years ago, I wanted to be the biggest wholesaler in the world. It's just what I thought I wanted to do, but I didn't understand what I know now. No, it's okay. I'm just speaking from my perspective now and my experience. And I still encourage anybody out there to continue to grind hard and build a 7-figure wholesale company, because it's challenging, but then you'll start to see you're going to start bouncing your head against the wall, and you're going to start understanding like, man, like I'm kind of hitting a threshold here. It's kind of hard to keep good quality people, working for me. They're going to want to go do their own thing. Now I got to start this all over again. And how do I keep it consistent?
And the deeper, not wider aspect of it, bro. There's only so many people. Like, people don't understand the reason these motherfuckers go nationwide is because your marketing budget grows so big that the only choice you have is to go in other markets.
Right. Yeah. And more power to them. But that to me just sounds like a lot of chaos. I don't know anybody that does it without being chaotic. If they're being honest with themselves, if they're doing deals all over the country,